Welcome, my top 10 people I would trust with my last slice of pizza. Please remember this is not financial advice. Yesterday's analysis played out exactly as expected. Bitcoin closed the day in the red, dropping below the 200-week simple moving average, confirming the bearish outlook we discussed. One of the biggest warning signs was the EVOL Bitcoin's volatility index, which closed higher. Historically, that's not a great signal for Bitcoin, as rising volatility often comes alongside increased downside risk. On-chain data also isn't giving the bulls much confidence. I break it down for you later in the video. Bitcoin is still trading below the short-term holder realized price, meaning many recent buyers remain underwater. ETF flows continue to be negative, showing that institutional demand is still weak. Funding rates are still positive, which usually means traders are leaning heavily long. Markets often move against the majority, so that's something to keep an eye on. The dollar index continues to break higher. As long as the dollar stays strong, it becomes more difficult for Bitcoin to build sustained momentum. Every pullback in the DXY will likely be viewed by bulls as a buying opportunity, and it still looks like the index could be targeting its 200-week simple moving average. Bitcoin dropped to $58,000, sweeping a massive pocket of liquidity. Now we are seeing fresh liquidity building around the $50,000 level, making it another key area to watch if downside continues. Overall, the macro picture hasn't changed much. ETF demand remains weak, the dollar is strong, and market sentiment is still cautious. While a short-term bounce is definitely possible, especially if the dollar pulls back, the broader trend still favors caution until we start seeing real demand return to the market. And that's why I posted on X. Long-term holder profit to volatility ratio hasn't entered the buying zone yet. As in all previous bear markets, it dropped to at least negative 0.3. Currently, it is at positive 0.34. Hodl Waves metric hasn't showed a buying opportunity yet, as the good accumulation phase started from the 40% level. Right now it stands at 21%. So what do you think? Has Bitcoin truly bottomed? Or is the real capitulation still ahead? Let me know in the comments. Have a nice day. Bye.